In this video, I'm going to show you how to find promo code deals for Amtrak. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the tutorial. Alright, open up any web browser, go to Google, and then inside Google search box, type in promo code deals for Amtrak, and then hit search. Make sure to spell it correctly. And then as you can see in the Google search results, we got coupon follow 50% off Amtrak coupons. Scroll down, we got Simply Codes, Real Tell Me Not, Don't Pay Full, coupons.com. So any of these sites will work, but just to make sure that the code is still in expired, so it hasn't expired, so make sure it's still in date. And now for this particular site, I'm going to go into couponfollow.com, and you can see all the latest coupon promo deals here. So we got 50% off, 20% off, a whopping $500 off, etc, etc. So what you can do to activate any of these deals, simply click onto the deal. So enjoy up to 50% off here. So I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to paste this code at Amtrak, and then once I've done that, I'll enjoy my 50% off